Welcome to Wednesday Work in Progress, where I'm going to share, what's in progress. This week I thought I'd do it a little bit differently and show our shipping and packing and inventory areas. There's been absolutely a ton of stuff that I've been working on, but we don't have time to do that. It would be like a 4-hour video if I talked about all the stuff I'm working on. Instead, I think it's just going to be up on the website. I'll send an email about it later. It'll be fine. Yep. Well, now I'm just enjoying life in my living room, just relaxing. Check it out. I got my feet up. The dog's here. There's a plant. And wait, why is there a desk in the living room? And why is there something right next to the couch? That's because our living room is actually mostly our shipping room. Like, there's the living room, and it ends right there, and that's part of the shipping room. Because really, this is where we ship orders, and this is where we prep orders. And our dining room is actually our inventory room. This is where we have all the things that I like to print ahead of time, and that way we can get them out faster. We've got a bunch of inventory of boxes that we keep on hand, and all kinds of other packing materials and different hardware and things that we include with your orders. Things like command strips. And since we often put like 10 command strips with an order of 10 shelves, we bag them up ahead of time. That way they're ready to go and easy to just put in a box when it's time to put them in a box.
I'm the in charge of packing command strips. Fortunately, I'm very good at it.
So you just met my mom, who was nice enough to come all the way over here from Grand Junction, which is on the other side of Colorado. And like the first thing she does is give us cookies that she made, which are just insane, okay? And then the second thing she does is put command strips in those little baggies for us. I'm pretty sure without her, well, life just wouldn't go on. In fact, I don't think I'd even be here.
Life wouldn't begin.
Wow, life wouldn't begin. It's true. And this is actually where, this is the table that we also like get orders ready that say we need 10 of these. And my wife, Ariane, will put an order number on it and put the ones that we have in stock, and then I'll make the rest. So she'll say like, hey, we have 6 here and we need 4 more. I also made these earlier this year. These hold up to 80 floating figure shelves, and these are just really easy because it makes it easy to grab 10, because usually they're ordered in like 10 or 5, something like that. And I can just keep making them and keep filling these up. Over here at the shipping station, we use a tool that's actually called ShipStation, and it throws all our orders in there, and then we know what we need to print or what we need to ship, that sort of thing. So when we pull an order from over here, we pull it over and we get all the things that we might need for it for mounting, and we box it up, and then it comes over here. Actually, it comes over here, we weigh it, we print the label out on ShipStation through this label printer, and then we put it in a pile right here that we put in bags for the postal carrier who picks them up every day. So it kind of, it does feel a little ragtag because we are working out of our living and dining rooms, but this is kind of like the step before you have to move into a commercial space. We're constantly fulfilling orders, continually sending stuff out. Downstairs, you've seen some of that. We're constantly running all of those printers. I think I'm up to about 30 printers right now. So it's busy around here. It's actually been super nice to be at home as well, because I can, start prints in the beginning of the day before I actually go to work, and I work from home for my real job, and that's really nice. And then say lunch, I can switch them out. I can bring orders up to Ariane, who's fulfilling orders, and then at the end of the day, I can start prints again and start them again before I go to bed too. So it's nice actually not being in a commercial space, when I don't have to just yet. I can go from shooting a video about the shipping and inventory room to having dinner over there with my family like that. So I'm going to go do that now. That's the work in progress video for the week. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. And as always, thanks for watching.